You can be tech savvy without mastering a bunch of gadgets. It's all about knowing how to use technology to make your life easier every day. Burton Kelso is back with us with some tech habits to adopt in the coming year. Hello, thanks for being with us.
Thanks, Megan. Great to be back.
Okay, well, first, let AI be your assistant. And I feel like sometimes people are like leery of AI. How can this help us?
Well, yes, people are leery of AI, but the challenge is in 2026, you definitely need to don't turn a blind eye to AI and understand that it's here to help, not hinder you. So use AI to help you meal plan. Make sure that you're using AI to help you overcome those challenges with children's homework. Let it plan vacations for you. Use it to answer those questions that you can't answer because AI works a lot better than Google and you get concise answers quickly rather than searching through a bunch of websites like you would have to with Google.
So it really can be your assistant.
Oh, definitely, yes.
Okay, next up, ditch the password headache, which I think passwords, those can be a headache.
Oh, definitely. So passwords are not safe. You should be using passphrases instead, and I think we've talked about this on the show before. But also in 2026, pass keys are the thing that you need to integrate because pass keys actually link up to your phone and computer's biometrics like your face or your finger, and it will synchronize with your online account. So you can actually log onto your email, log into your social media accounts using your finger or your face, and it makes it harder for hackers to get into those accounts.
And much easier for us to get into them.
Exactly, yeah, rather than typing a bunch of stuff in, correct?
Okay, you say take a digital breath every day. What does that mean?
That means get off those devices and take a break. But what you should do in 2026 is to do the 8 to 8 strategy, which means you get on your devices at 8 and then you get at 8 a.m. and then you get off of them at 8 p.m. So that way you've got 12 hours, but you're setting limits as far as when you're using your tech devices.
So kind of like a digital fast.
Right, exactly.
I sort of have been doing that already, like plugging my phone in downstairs so there's just no temptation.
Exactly. That's the best thing to do. And you don't have to do 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can do like 9 to 9, 11 to 11. It just depends on that schedule, but just give yourself 12 hours. And that way you're not doom scrolling forever on your phone.
Great idea. Okay, clean up your digital closet. What is a digital closet? Do we all have one?
Yes, and it comes in many forms. Number one, your digital closet, your phone. So delete all that junk off your phone and your computers. But also cleaning your digital closet means cleaning up your email, making sure that there's old messages that are 2 years old or older. Delete those. And also your digital closet includes those old subscriptions. Have you subscribed to things that you no longer want to get emails for or products and services? Clean up that digital closet and unsubscribe from all of those subscription services you no longer use.
Okay, finally, secure your digital twin. Who's our digital twin?
Your digital twin is your online persona or anything of you that is online. So you want to secure your digital twin by making sure you don't fall for deep fakes and voice cloning. So for your family, you need to set up a password so criminals can't clone your voice and call and scam them out of money. But also securing your digital twin means that you lock down your social media account so hackers can't learn information about you and take that information and scam you or your family members out of money. It means setting those social media accounts to private and making sure that you vet your friends list to make sure you're connected with people you should be connected with as opposed to people that are out to scam you.
So maybe it's time to even do like an audit, like a social media audit.
Every day you should be, because you never know who's tracking your information and trying to gather facts that can be used against you.
Okay, these are great tips as we take into the new year. You know, I actually did clean out some subscriptions recently. That you need to set aside some time for that, though.
You do, and I call that subscription-itis, meaning you sign up for something and then you forget about it until years later and like, oh, I'm paying 20 bucks or 30 bucks a month for something that I no longer use. So yes, clean that up.
Great advice. Thanks so much, Burton. Great to have you here.
Thank you, Megan. Good seeing you.
We'll be right back.
I realize the importance